Hello Jaguar owners, is your air conditioning blowing out hot air? Well, there's a simple fix for it. Reach under here and grab your hood. First you need to make sure this is your problem. So with the engine running, you want to grab the high side of the air conditioning line here, and you want to reach down there and grab the other one. One should be so hot that it'll almost burn your hand. The other one should be cold and have condensation. To get to the other AC fitting to fill this up, you gotta hook the gauges up from down below. But with the engine running, you want to look at your compressor and make sure that it is spinning and engaged. If it's not engaged, then chances are you're low on Freon. But this is a real common problem on these cars, and your problem is this right here. This is your dual heater something or another. Anyways, the bottom hose hooks to your radiator, and the top two goes to your individual heater cores on either side. It has a 3-prong electrical connector right there. What happens is these fail to shut off. When you start the car, these should shut off and stop the hot water from flowing into the heater cores. And that's part of when you get these climate control things on these new cars, that can be a problem. So, there's one bolt there. To get to this, you got to take off your reservoir, drain your radiator, and take off this top radiator hose, and right there it is. I don't know if this is gonna show up on camera or not, but right there it is. It's right below your radiator reservoir, straight down there. So all you got to do is drain the radiator, pull off the reservoir. You could possibly get it down from below through the remove the belly pan, but it's one bolt and 3 hose clamps and 1 electrical connection. I bought it from Car Guru online. I did buy the Motorcraft version. It was $100. They wanted $180 at Advance and AutoZone and everywhere else. So this is one item that I bought online, almost half price. So I understand after a few years these all seem to fail. So when you got your air conditioning on, it's blowing hot air because this valve is not seating properly, and it's leaking or letting hot water move into the heater core, and that's why it's hot. So $100 fix. There's nothing wrong with the air conditioning. It's this little